Hey, you want to watch me wash dishes and find out why you're not finding your life purpose? Let's go. Okay, yay. So I'm washing dishes right now. And, why am I making a video while I'm washing dishes? Because I'm multitasking. But I don't know, the idea occurred to me. Like, maybe I would get some good ideas while I'm washing the dishes, because there's something very zen, isn't there? There's something very zen about washing dishes, and it kind of gives your body something to do. It's kind of repetitive behavior that you don't have to think about too much. And hopefully, I don't know, some idea comes to me. There was this download that I got the other day about why people don't find their life purpose, or why they think they don't know what their life purpose is. You know what your life purpose is. You always know what your life purpose is. You just don't want to know. And there's a few reasons behind that. One is conditioning, where we're constantly told, when we're young, we're constantly told that we can't have the things that we want. Like, no, you can't have that candy. No, you can't do this. No, you can't do that. And so you start to believe that you really don't have very many options. And so when people start searching for their life purpose, they are really not open. Their mind is not open to all the possibilities. They might think that it is, but it's not. And if you were to do a little exercise where someone was to, let's say God, said to you, you know what, I'm going to give you 10 years, let's say, to do whatever the hell you want. And it's totally cool. Don't worry about the moral implications. Don't worry about feeling guilty about anything. Just enjoy it. Everything you want, when you want it, just enjoy it. As soon as you think of something, it will come to you. And you start thinking about how you would want to live your life. What are the things that would immediately attract your attention? Like, oh, I would, right away, I feel like I would go on a cruise, and I would just get there, and I wouldn't even have to pay for it or anything. They would just say, like, oh, okay, you want to be on this cruise? Great. And they would immediately give you their best suite, and they would immediately give you all their best food and entertainment and everything. There would be somebody coming to your room saying, what would you like? And, you've had all this wonderful food. Is there anything else I could get for you? Yeah, actually a foot massage would feel really great. Oh, and get me that date with Brad Pitt, who flies over right away, because he can't wait. It's not that he has to, it's not that he's forced, but he just can't wait, because in this reality, you can have any guy you want. They're all standing by, they're just like hoping and praying that they get to go out with you. So Brad Pitt immediately gets on the next airplane, and he gets there in like half an hour, and you go on like a date with him. And then, then you're on to the next thing, or the next guy, or, So anyways, do this exercise, and then you figure out what are those things that you're like, and keep it going. This is like the beginning, but like keep it going. And then I would go on this adventure, and then I would do that, and then I would, and again, no, money is not an issue. There's no hassle. People just give you whatever you want. You don't have to worry about the ethical implications, the moral implications, nothing. You just get to do whatever you want to do. Now, when you've done that and you kept going and going and going and going and going, and I'm talking pages and pages and pages of written materials, then you can look back over all of that and go, huh, interesting. I see some patterns here. I see some patterns here about what kinds of activities I like and how I would want to live my life, and the fact that I'm holding myself back from a lot of these things. And I think that there's more to it. I think another reason why people don't find their life purpose, or why they don't want to admit to themselves that they already know what their life purpose is because a lot of times it's something that's kind of uncomfortable. It's not something that you want to admit to yourself or other people that you actually want to do that. That would be really fun for you. Or it may be something that's not totally moral in the way that you have been conditioned, or, you know, in your family, the kinds of values, whatever your family's values are, or your society's, maybe it doesn't really fit those values. And so, of course, you're staying away from those things because you're terrified from those things. Oh, no, this is not right. It's not moral. It's not, or it's not, you know, my mother would judge this way or that way, and I can't possibly. Who knows, you know? Who knows what it might be? This is where the movies that we watch and the TV shows that we love give us a sense of that. And as you know, movies are wish fulfillment in many ways. They're total wish fulfillment. And a lot of times, the movies that we like the most are movies that have that little aspect to it that's really drives into that human psychology of, you know, what would you do if you could do anything? And you see all kinds of characters and all kinds of behavior, and you root for those people, for their vengeance, for their, you know, seeking revenge, for their, you know, even sociopathic behavior sometimes, their animalistic impulses. Getting washed. This is nice. You know, there's parts of your life purpose that you don't really want to do because they're kind of not that fun and they're not that glamorous. And, you know, some of us, we only want to do the glamorous parts of something. It's like, call me when there's a photo shoot. Call me when they're giving out rewards and they want to give me one. Call me when someone wants to write a big article about how amazing I am. But everything in between, everything that's difficult, everything that we have to do ourselves, everything that we're afraid of, walking through our fear, that those are things that we don't want to do.
Want to activate your life purpose? Let's explore this more with movie-based counseling. Visit fantasycharacter.com.